All right. So we have the right anything in the list. So yeah, I believe I can achieve this by using another view. Okay. So what I'm going to do is to create another. This time I'm going to use swiftUI view for that, and I'm going to say this will be like a voice memo. So voice memo view. So basically every row of content will be the voice memo view. Okay, so let's create it. And voice memo view, yeah, we can do that using Visual Studio Code, just to save you guys a little bit of time, so you don't need to like watch me typing all the thing. Okay, right now we got like the body and the text. Instead of doing that, I'm going to use navigation link, because if you click it, you will navigate to that specific text of that voice memo. So I'm going to say the text, just to wrap it, everything inside the text of a. Okay, I'm going to like initialize the voice memo. So I'm going to let the voice memo will be a voice memo. Okay, so you initialize that, then you can access the voice memo dot text of voice memo. Okay, so basically it's just a transcript of what you said, and we're going to use Apple's like default built-in transcript AI to do that. Okay, and yeah, your iPhone already building that thing. Okay, so for example, if you like typing things, you want to like use the default keyboard, and there is a microphone icon, and you click it, and you ding, and you set things which transcribe into text, and that's the functionality of AI. Okay, so Apple do have a lot of potential of AI, but it seems that they're really reluctant to use it. I don't know why. Apple seems to be like really cautious about this. It doesn't really matter. Let's write this. I believe we can build it inside of VStack. Have alignment leading, so go to the left. Voice memos title as well as voice memos. Okay, and do that leading. I can get the voice memos title. Yeah, that's good. Font, headline. Yeah, we're gonna voice memos dates, style, dates, foreground color. You got secondary color. Yeah, good. And of course, I would like to actually see the voice memos of voice memo dot text of voice memo. That's good, but we don't want to see everything. If you see that, if the voice memo is really long, you won't be able to see a lot of it. So what I'm going to do is to adding a line limit of just one line. Okay. So let's save it, and then we can just reference this, I believe. Okay, I believe the label. Okay, we need to add a bracket here. Maybe not here. A bracket, so we can actually close this, and I believe we need to like close a lot of things. So maybe. Yeah, so I got this here. Okay, maybe that's it, good. And I'm going to wrap everything inside of a navigation link. So when you actually click it, you will be able to navigate it. So instead of just go straight to the body and view, I'm going to say a navigation link, so you can like click that and go to that, and yeah, we can have a destination. Right now, let's just say it'll be the text. Okay, so I'm going to just get this text here, and then you should have a label inside label we got V stack, we got like a vertical 1, 2, 3. Yeah, that'll be good. That'll be good. Okay, once you finish with the voiceMemo view, we can save it. Do remember to save it, especially you got multiple IDE opened. If you don't save it, it will not like sync with the other one, and it will have like a conflict. You don't want that. You don't want that. But obviously, right now, you won't be able to like solve the problem right now. Because the Xcode do not have a like inbuilt like similar thing like a Copilot. Okay, so yeah, circular reference. Okay, this must be some of the issue of the like a bracket issue. Okay, that should solve it. That should solve it. Okay, let's save it just to make it clear. And then inside the list, so the Copilot suggests for each data controller filtered mammals, that's good, and we need to initialize it. Okay, this is like a just write everything. We don't want that. We don't want that. We need to first release this, and then I'm going to add a for each. Okay, so for each, yeah. Let me just using Visual Studio Code to do this. So here for each, and I'm going to get the data controller, a filtered voiceMemo, that's good, and I'm going to grab this content, and it will be the view. Okay, I'm going to initialize it and show it. So in it, and then on delete, we're going to perform data controllers delete voiceMemo. That's good. And all that trailing modifier will be the navigation type, ultra torrent voiceMemo. That's good. And then we got this toolbar here, navigation trailing. So it's at the right side. We got a button, and you add something, and yeah, we haven't actually added the functionality yet. Okay, but I believe this will work. Hopefully. Let me just run that, and finger crossed. Window error. Okay, voiceMemo. Okay, here we need to add a parameter. So basically, we can just get the default example data to here. So what I'm going to do is to get the voiceMemo, and I believe we got something like the example. Okay, so remember here we got the example data, like first voiceMemo sort of thing. Okay, and you can plug it in and run that. Hopefully this time it will build successful. That's good. That's good. It's building, and there's no error. And but ironic thing is that code right now does not actually do anything at all. Okay, it's just as if you haven't coded that anything yet. But so we have write significant amount of codes. So yeah, that's a bummer. That's a bummer. So we have to add functionality. But rest assured, this will work, and will work beautifully, powerfully. Okay, so yeah, I'm going to make this work in the next video. Stay tuned, and give this video a thumb up if you like it. Okay, and subscribe. Please help me to reach the monetization goal. Okay, bye.